So we're here to announce something really exciting today, and that's the Energy Efficiency Academy. So what is the Energy Efficiency Academy? Think about it this way. It's a pathway for young people to find a career in energy efficiency, one of the fastest growing areas, get paid while you're learning, and then get associated with a great job to help customers become more sustainable, right? It's a great thing to do. Energy jobs are in high demand across the country when you look at it. And for companies like DTE, the ability to use what we do to make customers like Geraldine, as an example, who's going to come up and talk later, more sustainable and make them more energy efficient and lower their costs are exactly the type of partnerships that we want to work on. At DTE, I like to say we have one of the best energy efficiency programs in the country. There's an organization that ranks big programs like this, and we are always ranked #1 in the state of Michigan and traditionally ranked one of the very highest across the country. And that's because we have programs that focus on our customers. They're programs that our customers want to participate in, and that's why you get the deep connection with customers that we get out of our current energy efficiency programs. If you look nationwide at the United States today, it's estimated that there's 2 million skilled trade jobs that are left unfilled. So why is DTE interested in a program like this? Well, this is how you fill that 2 million skilled job gap. We also have the Detroit Tree Trim Academy that we're doing that helps young people associate with tree trim jobs. We have the Parnell Correction Institute program where we help returning citizens 6 months before they're released learn skills on how to trim trees, and we connect them with our contractors. And then we also work very closely with the City of Detroit and the mayor on the Grow Young Detroit Talent program, where thousands of young people get great experience through the summer so that they can enter into the workforce. All of these are really important ways that we grow the workforce and partner with great companies like Walker Miller.